I just want you to know that I think you're a low-life piece of shit. You were never a man. You fucking ditched us for your own selfish needs. And I hate you for it. You know, I was hoping you'd be dead. The only reason why I came to this godforsaken place is the promise I made my mother to find you and give you a chance. She was the most beautiful, kind-hearted, and loving human being a person could ever be lucky enough to know. She raised me. She made me who I am today. And if it wasn't for her playing the role of mother and father, God knows I could have turned into you. We used to wait in the welfare lines and I'd watch how she fought tooth and nail so we could have food on the table. She used to go into town and pawn every piece of jewelry she had just so we could make the rent. But you know what? She always had enough to buy me an ice cream, which somehow made it all feel alright. I'd chip in as soon as I was old enough. Worked at the local deli making sandwiches, and I'd hand over every dime to her. She never dated, never left the house, other than to make $1. She was a great woman, and you gave up on her. You quit. You walked away. You never fought for us because you were a weak man. Because your fucking pride was hurt. Well, I say fuck your pride. When it comes to your wife and kid, man. What pride? Where is it now? Why break a family? Why? Why start a family to begin with if you're not strong enough to keep them?